wants to look in the mirror or see a picture of themselves from an unflattering angle and spot a double chin. But how does one do that without surgery? I am here to show you how you can reduce and eliminate your double chin without surgery, expensive creams, or a monthly gym membership. Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to show you easy and effective face yoga for double chin and jawline. But before that, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Okay, I know you are excited to learn more about face yoga and whether it has anything to do with traditional yoga. But before that, it's important you know what causes a double chin. And when you are backed with the right information, double chin removal will be much easier. So in the case of a you versus the unwanted double chin, the guilty party is a layer of fat known as the submental fat that forms below your chin. While the causes of submental fat vary, ranging from age to genetics and even posture, you can target this excess skin around your jaw and neckline with at-home facial exercises. That's right, double chin exercises from the comfort of your own home are the secret to reducing and getting rid of your double chin. How, you may ask? Facial yoga. It combines facial exercises and facial massage techniques that target our facial muscles, skin and tissue drainage system. These exercises help in lift, tone and firm the chin muscles and boost collagen production while draining out toxins accumulated under the skin. Here are 4 easy face exercises for double chin and jawline. So the first facial yoga is called a Jivha Bandhan, also known as a locked tongue pose. For this, place the tip of your tongue against the upper wall of your mouth like you are trying to swallow it into the mouth. Keeping your tongue that way, open your mouth slowly and completely till you feel a stretch in your throat and neck. Apply some pressure against the upper wall until you start feeling a slight stretch in your neck. Repeat this exercise a few times. Doing this exercise helps strengthen and elongate your neck, works on the central as well as the lateral region of your neck specifically and helps shed that extra flabbiness from that area, thereby toning out the double chin, giving you a razor sharp jawline. The next exercise is called the fish face. I'm sure you're probably already familiar with the pouty exercise. But did you know it makes your skin firmer while also sharpening your jawline? Super simple. All you need to do is pull your lips in like, well, a fish. Suck your cheeks and lips inwards and try to replicate a fish face. You'll need to hold this pose for 30 seconds. This facial exercise helps stretch and tone the muscles of your cheek. As your facial muscles become tighter, the outer layer of your skin tightens, creating the illusion of a natural chin lift. Repeat this exercise daily 4 to 5 times. Also guys, before I move ahead, if you are liking this video and want to see a video on yoga poses for a slimmer face, then tap on the I icon here. The third exercise is a mouthwash technique. Yes, are you thinking of all the times you have gargled with mouthwash throughout your life? Well, that experience has you perfectly placed to nail this next double chin removal exercise. Start by filling your mouth with an imaginary mouthwash. You'll be rinsing out your mouth with air though, not liquid. So inflate your cheeks as if you are holding water between your lips. Next, swirl the air from side to side, making sure to move it fully into the corners of your cheeks. You should feel your cheeks stretching to receive your imaginary mouthwash as you go. Continue this process for 20 to 30 seconds, then exhale. Repeat this exercise 3 to 4 times. This facial exercise helps tighten the muscle walls of your cheeks and creates a natural facelift benefit. As your facial muscles tighten, your jawline becomes slimmer, reducing the appearance of your double chin. The fourth exercise is more like targeting the acupressure points. Yes, there are acupressure points on the face that can work in increasing the blood circulation and slowly reducing the facial fat. Before I show you how to do it, I like to always apply some sort of lubricant. By using a serum or a moisturizer, the facial yoga movements will get more swifter and smooth without tugging on the skin. I'm using this serum right here, the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Overnight Oil in Serum. Take a dollop-size amount of the serum and lightly massage it into the skin. It's enriched with argan oil that deeply nourishes the skin, boosts collagen and improves the elasticity of the skin. Here's how to relax your facial muscles. Start by folding your finger like this and place it on the nasolabial folds, which are the smile lines or laugh lines. Gently press the area and hold it for 5 seconds. Slowly move the finger towards the ears and hold it right underneath the cheekbone. Stay there for 5 seconds. Then slowly move towards the temple. Again hold it there for 5 seconds. Repeat this exercise 3 to 5 times. Now place the thumb below the chin and the outer part of the index finger on the chin. Stay in the position, press and hold for 5 seconds. Slowly slide the thumb and the finger towards the corner of the mouth. Stay there for 5 seconds. And finally move towards the ears and hold it for 5 seconds. Have your kids or pets left any balls around the house? Grab the nearest tennis ball or squishy ball you can find, because you will be using it to melt chin fat and sculpt your new jawline. Start by placing the ball under your chin and hold it in place by lowering your chin to apply pressure. You should be able to hold the ball between your chin and your neck without using your hands. Next, move your chin up and down by pressing your skin tight against the ball, then relaxing. Make sure you don't relax so much that the ball falls to the floor. Repeat this 25 to 30 times. The repeated pull down movement targets your facial and neck muscles. The more you repeat this double chin exercise, the more toned your jawline will look. Now, while you go ahead and try these face exercises for double chin and jawline, remember to give yourself a reminder that you are always glowing and beautiful, and double chins are not something that can dim down your inner glow. Time for me to go. As usual, don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.